Hey guys, a very warm welcome to RovitaS with this yummy Alfredo pasta. For this you require any pasta of your choice, refined flour or maida, salt to taste, broccoli, onion, capsicum and mushrooms all cut into dices, salted or unsalted butter, oil for boiling the pasta, oregano, chili flakes and black pepper powder for seasoning, and milk. So without any further delay, let's start the recipe by boiling pasta and prepping the veggies. Do not overcook the pasta and check it before draining the water. Now let's saute and season the veggies. You can use any vegetables of your choice. And here comes the star preparation, white sauce. So for this you need to add equal amount of butter and refined flour. After mixing butter and refined flour for a minute, add milk and keep on stirring to avoid lump formation. You can anyways add any amount of milk to attain the desired consistency of the sauce. For these particular measurements, I have used 300 ml of milk. You can also garnish it with any type of cheese of your choice. And serve it steaming hot with crispy garlic flavor bread. This delicious recipe is quite soul and tummy fulfilling. So do try it on a weekend brunch and give us your reviews in the comment section. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to RovitaS for many more upcoming videos.